right now as we talk, I don't get any single response from it at all. So that's what we have with us today here at Phone Lookout, and we hope to get to the bottom of it. So we will have to go inside to be able to rectify this problem. So to be able to open this phone, if you look at it critically, it's a blessing that this one actually opens from the lower side. Welcome back to Phone Lookout, and thanks for watching our videos. Please do subscribe, comment, like, and that goes a long way to reassuring us that what we do does matter. Next thing is to check this process. You bought this phone refurbished, second hand?
Sorry?
You bought this phone second hand?
Yes.
I hope they didn't charge you so much. How much was it?
Sorry?
How much did they charge you?
For the second hand.
I think you bought them when they were still too popular. But you also bought it second hand.
No.
You don't repaired it.
Yes.
Okay. I was going to wonder how it's already opened yet he didn't use it for. The first time you repaired it, what was the issue?
Sorry?
The first time you repaired it, what was the issue?
By then I think the phone fell off
Yeah.
my hands.
Yeah.
So that's
Yeah.
open. I think it was probably connection with the battery.
Yeah.
Battery behind the screen. Power was not reaching the screen.
Yeah. So I want to see if this will rise to about 4.4, and in how long. So that's at 4.15, 4.16. Oh, it's fluctuating between those two values. Then again, set there, and give it some more time. 4.13. Is it dropping or rising? It's supposed to rise. Okay, so let's take a measurement. And that. Now, next thing is to take a critical look. Wow. Okay, this is interesting. Samsung. Plug in the main motherboard. Having plugged in the main motherboard, I'll plug in the flexi cable. Plug in the flexi cable. So plug in our battery and our structure. Plug it there. Don't get anything. Anyway, AMOLED screens are the thing where they seem to look beautiful. Okay. Okay, this is cycling through. So let me first pause the video and then return.